welcome back to another video. We have many interesting topics upcoming. So stay with us by subscribing the channel and like the video to show support. Thank you. Today, you already know, our topic is Contact Form 7. We will create similar to this form on the screen. Let's start. For our Contact Us form, let's create a Contact Us page and add it to the menu real quick. I will consider that you all know how to add a new page or remove from the menu. If you don't, let me know in the comment section. Out page is ready and it's also in the menu. Now install Contact Form 7 plugin. I have it already, I just need to activate it. Here we can remove all and create from scratch, or we can just edit it. We can give the form any name you want. So let's start creating our form. To make it easy, we will set this page and the form we want to design side by side. Just like that. The first field label is school name. If you see at the top, we have all these options to put in our form. On our first field, we need name. That means text. Selecting required field, because this field is important and it must be filled before submitting the form. For this field, we don't need to do anything else. The next field label is schooler name. Up next, if you see, we have two fields side by side. To achieve this, we will use code and we will give both of this field an ID. For example, field 1 and field 2. We also have placeholder, first. So we will type first, then select, use this text as placeholder, and set the ID field 1. Here, we will need to make sure that the field name, this text 844, is unique and does not match with other field. Here, we will change it by 1. Next, we have parent name. This is going to be the same, just we will give these ID field 3 and field 4. Rest of the fields are simple. Just ensure that all the text field name code is unique. Just change by 1 or 2. We are almost done here. Both the codes will be available in the description. Now we are entering the second part of the video, which is very important. It is to get the filled information sent to our email. To make it easy to understand, I am having same form edit on 2 tabs. Left side tab is to match the code, and the right side we will be working on. First, we will write our email, where we want to receive the mail with the information submitted. You can set these up accordingly. Here, we will get the filled information, but we need to set it up. Otherwise, it will be blank in your mail. First field is school name. We are going to write it here and then. The field code from the top, matching it with the left tab. Whatever information is entered in the school name field will appear over this code. So we need to set this up for each field. Next, we have schooler name, so we will copy that, then the code. We are setting up the first name and the last name this way. You can do your own way. Just make sure that the code is correct, matching with the left tab. We are done setting up everything here. Make sure to save your work. Let's move towards our next step, which is setting up the code and form into the page. Let's edit this page. We will simply take a section and drop the Contact Form 7 widget. These first and last fields are like this because we did not yet put the codes for them. Let me apply the gradient background color real quick. Pick color and apply. Now, we will drag a HTML widget under the form to apply our code. The link for this page with the code and details about Contact Form 7 will be available in the description. Please like if you think this video is helpful for you. Here, if you see carefully, this code is for Field 1 and Field 2. We need to add Field 3 and Field 4. Just add them with a comma. Check how I do it. Looking good. Hope this video helps you a little bit, but your like and you subscribing my channel will help me a lot. Thank you. Now, one last thing to do is to test our form. Let's go. See, here is our mail. Let's see it. Remember how we formatted it? The mail is just like that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope we all learned something today. If you have any questions or any other requests, please let me know in the comment section.